Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, I am. Therefore today I've decided to do some intense and vivid eye makeup, so without further ado, let's jump in the tutorial. After priming my lids with favorite eyeshadow base, which is for me constantly Maybelline creamy eyeshadow in shade Crème de Nude, I'm starting applying eyeshadows from this intense pink color from Tune Cosmetics, its Crazy palette, and it is called Alarm. And now I'm blending it above my crease to create nice smoke of color. Later I'm going to apply the same shadow all over my lid, but then I will be rather more packing it than blending. Next, I'm cleaning up my brow bone a little with this light matte shadow called Melanie from 10th anniversary palette from Kat Von D. It's quite well pigmented and I like cleaning up with this shadow if I go over the line with blending. Now I'm going to give my eyes depth, and for that purpose I'm using black eyeshadow from the first palette. It is called Nightmare. By the way, great name, I hope it doesn't turn out to be a nightmare. And I'm packing it with quite fluffy brush onto my outer corner, trying to blend it a little. I don't care about center part because in a moment I will be cutting the crease. The most important in this step is to blend well this black with pinkish smoke. And now cutting the crease. First I'm doing this with concealer. This is from Revolution. It's Conceal and Define concealer. I'm applying it by its applicator, and next I'm trying to cut my crease with small synthetic flat brush. Sorry, I don't remember its name. Because it's important for cut eyelid to be as bright as possible, I'm brightening it up even more with white jumbo crayon from NYX in shade Milk. Besides, this pencil has quite sticky consistency, so eyeshadows should stick to it well. Next, on such prepared eyelid, I'm packing the same pink shadow which I was blending at the beginning. And first I'm using for this flat stamp eyeshadow brush, and close to cut crease I'm applying this pink shadow with angle eyebrow brush. I'm trying to blend this pink and black color well. To add more dimensionality, I'm going to bright center part of my eyelid. close to the lash line, and I'm applying the jumbo pencil once more, trying to blend it to avoid any harsh lines. And in next step I'm packing there the combination of orange and pink shadow. It is from MORPHE 35B palette. And I'm adding this previous intense pink shadow to blend all the colors well. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm darkening my upper waterline and I'm drawing quite a thick winged liner. Sorry for shaking my head side to side. I think I was doing it to check if winged liner is at the same angle as on the other eye. On my lower eyelids, after priming them, I'm applying only this one pink shadow from MORPHE 35B palette, which I was applying together with this orange close to my lash line on upper eyelids. And I'm trying to blend it, I don't know how to say it in English, widely? I think widely. Pink eyeshadows are merciless for such bloodshot eyes I sometimes have, so it's necessary to bright lower waterline with some light nude color or make it black, and to complement this eye makeup I've chosen the second option, and now I'm trying to smudge this black eyeliner with angle eyebrow brush with the rest of previous pink shadow on it. As always, I applied falsies, but I did it camera. As for his face, I'm not applying any new products. I'm using already tested cosmetics. Only this eye cream from Martina GEBHARDT is new. I hope I'm pronouncing the name of brand well. And I must admit it nourishes my under eye area very well. I would compare it to famous eye cream with avocado from Kiehl's. Now I'm brightening my inner corners with pink opal shade from Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette, and I'm using the same shade to highlight my cheekbones. I've decided to keep my lips in the same cold pink tone, and that's it. This is how this look presents. I think it's high time to thank my followers some way, so soon I'm going to run my first giveaway to express my appreciation that you are here with me. Of course, as befits a person addicted to makeup, I think some eyeshadow palettes will be the most suitable. I'm thinking about palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I hope you could suggest which one you would be interested, or maybe you would prefer some other brand. Please leave me your propositions in the comment section below, and as always, I encourage to subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my activity, and to follow me on my Instagram. See you in my next video. Love you guys, bye!